everybody, how are we all? Welcome to the channel if you're new. Now, if you watched my live stream the other day, my half-hour walk thing, I popped up to Morrisons just to get something to do for a video. And I saw something and I thought, oh, I could just do them. And I fancy them, to be honest with you. Nice and cheap. And I'm going to do two sorts. I bought two lots. I'm going to do one. Well, let me show you. Let me just show you. It'll be easy to show you. So, this is what I've got. Pork ribs. Oh, yes. £3.55 for them ones. Obviously, they're different weights. And £3.20 for them ones. Now, I don't know whether there's much meat on them, but we're going to find out today. So, for the price, £3.20 or £3.50 or whatever, I think they're varying prices by the weight. I thought we'd make a couple. We're going to do it in the air fryer. Now we've got this sweet bones and butts, which I've never used yet. I've done the other ones on my video. It is quite expensive, that. It's £8.99p. But I thought we'd use that on the one with a bit of normal barbecue sauce. And then on the other one, I made my own sort of ingredients. And we got some of this from Aldi. Sweet whiskey barbecue, if you can see it properly. And we'll have a crack at that one, eh? So this one I've got, for my own one, I've got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a tablespoon each of garlic powder, paprika, salt and pepper, well, a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, tablespoon of oregano, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. With some, obviously, last 10 minutes or so, we'll brush some sweet whiskey barbecue sweet and spicy sauce on. And this one, obviously, you got the button bones, sweet button bones, and just a bit of barbecue sauce I had in the fridge. That's what we're going to do. Now, if you haven't seen this, looks a bit dark, that does. Hold on. I got this from my builder's merchants, but I do it online. I don't know if you can see the nutrition and that in it. But apparently it's won awards for barbecues and everything. But we're going to do it in the air fryer. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So first things first, obviously I'm doing 2, so I've got to do 2 air fryers. I'm going to do the button bones in my air fryer oven. And we'll do that one first. Let's bring you across there so we can see. This one's nice and simple. We'll get it open. There it is. I'm going to have to take the membrane off. Is the membrane on there? Yes. Right, take the membrane off. Okay, I've took the membrane off both. I'm going to show you in the way of the camera. What you usually do, just get a sharp knife, just score the edge, grab a bit of kitchen towel and just pull. I had to do it in 2 bits because it kept breaking, but it's done anyway. So now, first things first, then we'll get a bit of oil on both sides. What I'm going to do, I'm going to season them in these. Then I'm going to leave them to like marinate for like 10 minutes or so. That's that one, and we'll do. Oh, you're not even on, look. I'm not even in the camera. Now we've got the butts. Let me wash my hands. The sweet butts and bones. Probably have to open this one because I haven't used it yet. Nice bit of spare ribs. Yummy, yummy, yummy. There it is. Ooh, and it does smell nice. Let's get that off. I'm going to be a bit generous, obviously. And we'll rub all that in. Get it all coated. And we'll do the other side. Smells really nice, this does. Now, I say with this stuff like this, you got to work out how much you need, don't you? So, I think that should be plenty on there. Time it marinades in for 10 minutes. Right, that's that one done. Now we're going to get all the homemade ingredients into a bowl. Oregano, your cayenne, your paprika, your lovely paprika, your sugar, your garlic powder, your salt and pepper. And we will get our little mix. And that's going to be our rub for the next one. Yep, bring it across. Same again, a bit of oil. And we'll just rub some on, eh? And we'll let it do its thing for 10 minutes. So I thought I'd do 2, because you know, some people have got the ingredients in the house, ain't they? So if you can make it with the ingredients in the house, you're laughing, ain't you? And we'll leave that for like 10 minutes. And then, in the meantime, I'll get the air fryers warmed up. Okay, air fryers are warmed up. I'm hoping I'll get this in here. Get a bit of oil. I've put them on for 40 minutes on 180 degrees. I'm not sure how long they're going to take. That's the homemade one. With same as everything, what I'll do is with 10 minutes to go, will that go in? Yes. With 10 minutes to go, I will start brushing them with a bit of barbecue. And there is the one to go in the air fryer oven. You see that marinating already, look, can't you? See it in there, look. So I suppose the longer you leave it, the better. Okay guys, they have got about 12 minutes left. So I'm just going to barbecue it. There's the sweet bone and butts one. Looks nice, doesn't it? I'm not going to put any barbecue in the bowl, in bowls and everything. I'm just going to pile it on and we'll brush it over. This one smells absolutely delicious. I'm not going to lie. I mean, they both do, but this one smells better. Oh yeah. We'll get some of that on there. And I can always add a bit more with the last 5 minutes. We'll see how it gets on. Get that one back in. And we'll put the sweet whiskey on this one. That looks nice and all, doesn't it? This was £1.29p. Was the last bottle. So we'll have a go with this and see what this is like. Will this come out? It was nice and thick, that one. Just brush it over like that. Need a bit more on that one. Need a bit more on that one. Got to get all that flavour, haven't we? There we go. And I'll do the same with that one. If with 5 minutes left, I'll probably put a little bit more on. Right then. Woo! Done. I had no room to show you up the side, so let me show you. It looks delicious. Which one do you think looks the best, Bab?
This one closest to
This one closest to you think it looks the best?
Yeah.
Okay. She doesn't know which is which. So let me show you. There they are. Nat thinks that one's the best. Looks the best. And there's the other one. Done some good old, what they're called? Corn on the cobs in the air fryer with a few chips. Oh yes. I'm not going to tell Nat which is which yet, because I want her to taste them to see which ones taste the best. Let's put you back. Right, I've had to dish up first because I've had no room up the table. There's mine. Oh, what's that? That's going to go first. Aren't you, Bab?
Yep.
Pick one up and then just pick it up with your hands, darling. Do some of this. might get a little bowl of water actually. Dip in.
I like that one.
You like that one? She likes that one.
I like that
The
one.
first one. So she gets on with the second one. Yeah, so what was it there?
That's right, just do that.
Here's the second one.
I'm just going to pick it up.
Just pick it up and grab a piece.
Let's try this one.
Oh,
I prefer
tough.
the first one.
You prefer the first one?
Oh, the second one's nice.
Second
I
one's
like
nice.
it. I like them both.
You like them both?
But I much prefer
You must prefer the first one.
the first one. Very nice.
First one's a shot one.
Oh, is it? No.
Well, the what is it? Sweet and Butts, whatever it's called.
Is that what the first one is?
Yeah.
That one's nice. I do like that
The
one.
second one's my homemade one.
Oh no, sorry.
Oh well.
Oh no, I feel bad now.
No, why? Because it is like a award-winning now, so let me try.
I do like the first one.
It is award-winning, so
The second one's nice. The second one's got more of a kick to it.
and the second one's got whiskey
Is that
whiskey barbecue on
I
it.
think that's what I can taste now.
This is the Butts one. What's it called? Oh, I'll put it away now.
Put some bones.
Butts and bones, bones and butts, or whatever. Sweet bones and butts. It's a nice flavour, isn't it? That.
The first one, yeah. I find the second one a bit gritty.
A bit gritty. Yeah, maybe I should have done with my one. Instead of doing a dry rub, I should have put some oil in and mixed it all
And
together.
I don't mean nothing. I don't mean anything bad about that. If you get what
Yeah.
I mean. It's still nice.
There is a bit of meat on these ribs, though. To be fair to you, I thought there'd be more bones for the price, but no. Yeah, it's more gritty, isn't it? Instead of doing a wet rub, I should have done a. It's got a bit of a kick as well. A dry rub. Instead of doing a dry rub, I should have done a wet rub.
Maybe.
Mixed it with some oil first, or a bit of butter or something. It's nice though, isn't it? That's got a kick, that hasn't it?
It is nice.
But I agree. I think the first one's better. Oh, spicy. It's like cayenne pepper. And put a teaspoon in.
I think you should have done a wet rub like this.
Yeah, I should have done a wet rub, shouldn't I?
Remember when you did it the very first time?
Huh?
Remember when you did it the very first time with some other seasoning? And it was gritty then, wasn't it?
I should have done a wet rub. But there you go, eh? Well, they're both nice, aren't they?
It's still nice, yeah. I don't mean nothing bad about
No,
it.
well that Angus, this is chips on fries. And the good old corn on the cob. This was 15 minutes in the air fryer from frozen, the Aldi ones. I think about 6 in a pack or something. I love corn on the cob. I didn't put any what's it called, that bay seasoning? Old Bay. I didn't put any of that on. I should have, shouldn't I?
I don't know, you and Blake are more the experts at that.
So there we go, guys. Something easy. That Angus and Oink rub is really nice. Expensive, but it is nice. And it'd be nice on a barbie, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So, as I say, something nice and simple air fryer. Spare ribs, £3, between £3.20 was it, or £3.60 I think. From Morrisons for them, and just take the membrane off and season them as you like. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.